Troubleshoot for Chefmate KS63 kitchen scale. Seeing low on display, this means the battery is low. Flip the scale, replace it with new batteries and switch it back on. Your scale is ready to use. Weight fluctuation, calibration guide. Before we start, keep a 5 kg weight like a single grocery pack or stone handy for the process. Step 1. Switch on the scale and immediately press the unit button 4 times. Step 2. When the display shows 5000, press the tare button. You'll see Cal 0. Step 3. Place your 5 kg weight on the scale. Wait for it to calculate until you see pass or PR55 appear. Step 4. Your scale is now calibrated. Remove the weight and switch it off. Precision restored. Seeing EEE on your display? That means the scale is overloaded. Simply remove the excess weight from the scale. Remember, the maximum capacity is 5 kg. Wobbly weighing plate? Start by gently twisting the weighing plate in a clockwise direction to remove it. Now, flip the scale over. You'll find the screw positions behind the sticker. Carefully peel back the sticker to locate the screws. Tighten both screws clockwise. Once done, turn the scale back and place the weighing plate in its original position.